Hey guys, Ellie here. As you may all know, one of the hardest parts about running a Shopify store is not knowing how your customers will react when you implement a new change. So this is exactly what Shopify is starting to solve with a new tool called SimGym, and it's honestly really mind-blowing. So what SimGym basically is like think of it as a practice gym for your Shopify store. So it sends AI shoppers into your site to browse, click, explore products, and even add items to your cart, just like a real simulation of what real people would do. So instead of guessing whether a new homepage or a theme change or even an offer that is going to work, you can actually just test out and see firsthand, see how your shoppers are going to interact and behave as well before you go and implement the change. So the thing about SimGym is that it's not fully released yet. So you can't, so it's not going to be on your store 100%, but you can join the waitlist. So today, that's what I'm going to show you. To get on the bandwagon for this, I'll show you how to join the waitlist. So think of it like a flight simulator for your store. You get to practice, test ideas, and learn what works and learn what doesn't without risking real customers or real sales. So today, let's just go in. And this is what it looks like. You're going to be going into the Shopify App Store. It is by Shopify themselves, and it's going to be called Shopify SimGym. All you're going to need to do is, if you make sure that you're on your store, you're just going to go in and click install. Once you click install, right over here, simple click, install. And then it's going to lead you onto this page. You have the option where it says, welcome to SimGym. Use AI shoppers to try out changes to your storefront and learn how real shoppers may interact. And again, remember, this is you going in and seeing how they interact before you actually go in and make the change. So it's kind of like a nice playground for you. So the next thing you're going to do is join waitlist. We're just going to click on this, and then you don't have to provide feedback, but now you're on the waitlist. That confirmation has been sent to your email, whichever email was used when you created your store. And then now just wait for that email, sit back, relax, and then we'll go on from there. Peace.